Such an amazing technology I have never seen in my entire life. Yes, right. This is about ChatGPT. So today we are going to talk about ChatGPT power about programming. So I am going to ask him to write a WordPress plugin for me. So let's see what it will say. So here I am going to write a WordPress plugin which will remove all duplicate images from WordPress media. So let's see what will happen. So it is saying unfortunately as a language model. I am going to stop it and I am going to change some words and let's see what will happen again. So it is saying sure, here is an example of basic WordPress plugin and this is the header of the WordPress plugin. If you are a developer then you can understand it. And here's the function name, remove duplicate images. And after it will complete, I will explain you. And as you can see, it is also explaining the code. And it is saying please, it is not recommended to test on a staging or backup environment before implementing on a live website. So it is saying do not do anything directly on the live website, just take the backup. So just take a look on code. So this is the function and this is the post type we are getting from WordPress, and we just have to for each on the attachments, and after that it will get the URL and it will check if it is duplicated or not. Then it will delete by using WordPress built-in function wp delete attachment, and it is giving the ID to delete the image, and it is using admin init hook. So if you are WordPress developer then you will understand this code, and I know this code will work definitely because I am developer. And again we are going to ask him to write a CRUD in PHP or maybe WordPress. CRUD in WordPress. So just enter it and it is generating below. It is giving us the definition of the CRUD. And here it starts writing the code. And now it is explaining us, and now it has completed, and I am going to look into. So it starts from creating a post in WordPress. This is the code to create a post in WordPress, and this is used for to read the post, and this is to update the post, wp update post in WordPress, and at the end it gives us to delete the post. So guys, if you write in the precise wording then it will definitely give you the precise code. So this is the example how you can use ChatGPT and how you can get the benefit if you are a programmer, and it will definitely help you in the other aspects of the life, for example blogging and YouTube and ideas of the content and many other things. So this is the amazing technology I have never seen really. And guys, it will definitely give you other languages code like Python, C# and many other things. And if it is not giving us the right thing then you have to change your wording to ask him. And if you guys find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Finally, thanks for watching.